The F-22 Raptor is a technological marvel designed to be deadly, undetectable, and undefeated. It is more than just a fighter plane. With its unparalleled combination of stealth, speed, and agility, this stealth fighter, created by Lockheed Martin for the U.S. Air Force, is the pinnacle of modern invention. With its initial unveiling in 1997, aerial warfare entered a new age that the world saw coming. However, being the first aircraft to successfully combine supercruise, supermaneuverability, stealth, and sensor fusion into a single potent weapon, the Raptor altered the face of air combat forever. The development of the F-22 Raptor came from a pivotal moment in military aviation when the balance of air power in the world was at stake. The United States faced an increasing threat in the late 20th century from Soviet aircraft that were developing new capabilities and pushing the envelope in aerial combat, such as the Su-27 Flanker and MiG-29 Fulcrum. It was obvious what the challenge was. The U.S. needed an air superiority fighter that could match, if not surpass, the capabilities of these fearsome opponents. The ultimate reaction, a fighter plane that would revolutionize air combat for the 21st century, was the F-22 Raptor. Because each F-22 had an incredible price tag of over $335 million, the investment was also high stakes. Moreover, the Raptor's development was fueled by groundbreaking inventions and state-of-the-art technology, which was reflected in its enormous cost. Furthermore, the F-22 was intended to be an unstoppable force in the skies, unlike any other aircraft. It was developed to be an instrument of complete air superiority. Modern electronics allowed the Raptor to identify, monitor, and eliminate adversaries before they even realized they existed. Therefore, the goal of this aircraft was to dominate contested airspace rather than just survive in it, so that in the event of a conflict, the U.S. Air Force would always have uncontested control of the sky. The F-22 Raptor's remarkable thrust vectoring capabilities are one of the most remarkable aspects that distinguish it from other fighter jets. However, conventional jets have limited agility because they use fixed exhaust nozzles that provide thrust out of the back of the engine. On the other hand, the two potent Pratt & Whitney F-119 PW100 engines of the F-22 are outfitted with advanced pitch-axis thrust, vectoring nozzles in their exhaust. Moreover, due to their movable construction, these nozzles can reroute the engine's thrust more than 20 degrees upward or downward. The Raptor's unmatched agility comes from its ability to control the thrust's direction, which allows it to carry out difficult maneuvers that conventional aircraft would not be able to accomplish. The F-22 can shift directions with an accuracy that leaves its rivals well behind, whether it's making sharp twists, swift ascents, or sharp descents. Furthermore, a dogfight's fate in air combat is frequently determined by an individual's agility. Being able to outmaneuver and reverse course fast can provide a pilot with a crucial edge and give them the upper hand in a combat situation. Even in the most demanding and unpredictable combat scenarios, the F-22's thrust vectoring technology makes sure aircraft can keep this advantage. Therefore, this agility helps the Raptors to avoid impending dangers with ease, which also increases its total survivability and makes it a strong opponent in close-quarters combat. Further enhancing the F-22's efficacy as a combat aircraft is its thrust vectoring capabilities, which help the aircraft achieve supercruise, a supersonic flight maintained without the need for afterburners. Due to its superior speed and mobility, the F-22 fighter jet continues to be one of the most competent and adaptable in the world, with an unrivaled capacity to rule the skies. Supercruising is one of the F-22 Raptor's most amazing features, which distinguishes it from the majority of all other fighter jets. When an aircraft can maintain supersonic flight without using afterburners, which are usually required to reach such speeds in conventional aircraft, it is said to be experiencing supercruise. Although afterburners greatly increase thrust, they also use a lot of fuel, which shortens the aircraft's endurance and range. In addition, with only its primary engines operating at military power, the F-22 can maintain supersonic speeds, or about Mach 1.8, thanks to its supercruise capability. By doing this, the aircraft's operational range is increased, and its efficiency in engaging and intercepting targets is improved. The Raptor can traverse large distances more swiftly, react to threats more quickly, and battle for longer periods without refueling, since it can maintain high speeds without using afterburners. Before proceeding, if you thought this video was informative, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. So, another tactical advantage the F-22 has in aerial combat is its capacity for supercruise. Because the Raptor can sustain supersonic speeds, it has an advantage over opponents that need afterburners to reach comparable velocities. However, speed is an essential component of both offensive and defensive strategy. The F-22 can quickly approach a target in combat, engage, and then retire or redeploy without suffering a noticeable loss of speed. Moreover, the Raptor is one of the world's fastest fighters when its afterburners are deployed, reaching speeds of over Mach 2. Due to its fast speed, fuel efficiency, and ability to maintain supersonic flight, the F-22 is a very dangerous weapon in any aerial combat, since it can dominate the airspace, outmaneuver enemies, and regulate the pace of engagements. The F-22's well-engineered airframe, which is tailored to reduce its radar cross-section, gives the aircraft its stealthy qualities. Because the Raptor's wings and horizontal stabilizers line up precisely when viewed head-on, hostile radar sensors are unable to see it. Together with this stealthy design, the aircraft's radar signal is further reduced by the use of materials and coatings that absorb radar wavelengths. Consequently, the F-22 gains a substantial tactical advantage by being able to approach targets without being seen. The F-22 was built to reduce its visibility in a variety of spectrums and go beyond radar stealth. By carefully controlling engine exhaust, the aircraft's infrared signature is lowered, making it more difficult for heat-seeking missiles to lock onto the Raptor. Furthermore, the F-22's acoustic signature is reduced, which lessens the possibility that it would be heard. The Raptor's streamlined appearance and low reflectivity coatings help it blend into the sky, so even the aircraft's visibility to the unaided eye is taken into account. In addition, the integrated avionics system of the F-22 Raptor gives the pilot unmatched situational awareness by combining information from several sources. Even in contested areas where adversaries use deception and jamming techniques, the Raptor can detect, track, and engage several targets at once thanks to its sensor fusion capability. Although the Raptor's infrared and ultraviolet missile launch detectors provide early notice of impending threats, the aircraft's active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar system is designed to detect and track targets at great ranges. Apart from its sophisticated sensors, the F-22 Raptor is furnished with electronic warfare capabilities that enable it to interfere with enemy radar systems and sabotage communication. To essentially blind opposing sensors to the Raptor's presence, the aircraft can concentrate its radar signals to overwhelm them. An important part of the F-22's resilience is its capacity to launch electronic attacks, which reduces the risk of operating in strongly guarded airspace. Further, there are 3 internal weapons bays on the F-22 Raptor, a huge main bay located at the bottom of the fuselage and 2 smaller bays located on the sides. With the help of these internal bays, the Raptor can carry many weapons and still keep a low profile. 6 long-range LAU 142A launchers can be placed in the main bay, while 6 short-range LAU 141A launchers can be placed in the side bays. The bay doors open for less than a second when it's time to engage a target, reducing the amount of time the aircraft is visible to radar detection. Therefore, to ensure a smooth and effective launch, the missiles are then deployed using pneumatic or hydraulic arms that push them free of the airplane. With its unrivaled power and agility in the sky, the F-22 Raptor continues to be the epitome of modern engineering. The future of air combat is still influenced by its legacy. If you thought this video was informative, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.